Welcome back and welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Positivity. You saw my recent post that I just made maybe today, because actually some of you are going to see it at a later time. Now I'm actually just running around and doing a little bit of errands, as I mentioned before on my previous video. It's the first day of spring break. Yes, indeed. I know many people probably, went away for Easter and or just on a vacation. For me, basically, I am home, but I'm getting ready to do some DIY. I have these things planned out ahead of time, and I didn't. I was waiting to get it done, so just trying to get a cart here. So I'm gonna be doing yes, some DIY. Better yet, I'm gonna get a cart because it's gonna be easier for me to carry the cart than the basket itself. Sorry about that. I came off. All right, hold on. Let's see if I can place this phone here. Yep. Okay. Ooh, sorry, I got to change the cart. Let me know in the comments how many of you, when you pick up a cart, sometimes you realize the cart is no good. So sorry about that. I have to change the cart. So as you can see right now, I am at actually Target. I'm not doing any major shopping. I actually came to Home Depot next door, and I'm basically just gonna get some pet items and then head on back. All right, you see where I'm going, because I see some chips on sale, and I don't want to hear from you guys saying, oh, you shouldn't be eating any of those. Oh well, let's see what they got here. Not one of my favorite potato chips. This Ruffles right here. You see the Ruffles? All right, let's give it a try. All right, and okay. All right, we're just gonna, I'm in this section, I'm in the clothes section that I need something. I hope you can actually see what I am doing because it's sitting here in the cart. Bear with me, I'm going to try to prop it up a little bit so we have a little bit more visual. So I'm going to be moving it, going to be moving the camera. Just bear with me. Oops. All right, hold on. Okay, let's see. Just trying to prop it up, okay? Wait a minute. All right, as long as you can see it. Okay. Can you see it? Is it in the way? Yeah, hold on. Okay. I think, oh, wait a minute. Just got to set it. I got to get me a tripod, one that I do have one and I didn't bring it. And you could just sit the phone up. All right. I think, wait a minute. It's kind of a little bit of lean to the side. Hold on. You see my bag? Okay, bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Do not complain. Bear with me. Okay. All right, there you go. A little bit better. Yep. Seemed like a better view. So yeah, just walking through Target right now. Look at these cute little outfits. This would be like for my granddaughter, but she's a little bit older now. So this would be too small for her.